Of course, one of the best parts about living in Lake Arrowhead is in the summertime when it's lake time. So I thought, let's go for a walk and go to Tavern Bay. Come on, let's go. Jade, you want to go for a walk? Yes, let's go for a walk. Good girl. You ready? Bye. Let's go. Tavern Bay. That was a great walk. All right, Jade, thank you for the walk. Give me hugs. Give me hugs. Okay, go play. Bye, Jade. So let me share with you what's really great about Tavern Bay Beach Club. First of all, there are two beach clubs in Lake Arrowhead. One is on the north shore, one is on the south shore. Tavern Bay Beach Club is the one we are at today. The beach clubs are available to the members of Arrowhead Lake Association, which of course is open to any homeowner in Arrowhead Woods. Just go in and check in at www.ala-ca.org for all the rules and regulations that go along with your membership for the lake. While we're here, I just want to point out a couple really cute things about Tavern Bay. First of all, we have great parking, great access. We have a demonstration garden that is filled only with plants that are native to the area, so that if you're looking for something that you know is going to last over time at this elevation, the demonstration garden has it. As we look this way, we've got this beautiful grassy area, we've got the bandstand, we've got the kids play area, we've got a picnic area. Down at the very end, we have the restrooms and the snack shack that's open in the summertime, and of course the gate that goes out to the ALA public access docks, so that ALA owners who have boats can just come on across, dock their boat for a little while, have a picnic, enjoy the beach club, and then go on and enjoy the water some more. One of the cool things that I personally love about Tavern Bay is right here. This dedicated sandy beach with a dedicated swimming area is fantastic. It's a great play area, great for the kids. Oh, and I should also mention that the Junior Trout Rodeo is held here at Tavern Bay Beach Club. What else happens at Tavern Bay Beach Club? That's a really great question. During the summertime, we have events like the Rotary Art and Wine Festival or the Lake Arrowhead Brew Fest. Those are the two top ones that happen here in Tavern Bay. But throughout the summer and into the fall, there's also other community activities as well. I hope that you've enjoyed this little peek into Tavern Bay. And as always, even if you're new to our channel, whether you're consuming this on YouTube or Spotify or, well, wherever you're seeing us, be sure to give us a like on this video and make sure you share it out to a friend, because the algorithm gods love it when our stuff is shared out. People need to know about Lake Arrowhead and Tavern Bay Beach Club. As usual, we're going to ask you, give us a like, subscribe, hit the heart, give us some love, because we love bringing real estate information to you, whether it's about the area, the market updates, market statistics, or just what's cool and happening around town. I'm Theresa Grant. Thanks for joining me, and that's bye for now.